my god, you guys, it's fucking snowing like crazy. Mid-March and it's snowing like crazy. So you guys, I have been not on my A game. I don't even want to move my hand because I have this huge pimple on the side of my face. It's so gross. Look at this. Well, hey, at least you guys know that I'm normal. But I'm going to cover it up because it just looks insanely ugly. I'm going to use some concealer because I just can't. Pimple is covered. Yay! Alright guys, so I have been MIA lately because just so much has been going on. I just need to get my life back in the game, if that makes any sense. And I do have a reason why I've been feeling this way. Alright, I'm just gonna plain out and say it because I don't even want to like go into detail with it. I am single. I broke up with my boyfriend, so Jess is single. There, end of story. Anywho, moving on. I've been really depressed and down lately. It's just, oh god. But anyways, let me recap what happened throughout the week. So, what did I do? Recently, I actually went go-karting for the first time in my life ever. I went with a friend of mine. He's a really old friend. Okay, I'm just gonna go out and say it. He was my ex-boyfriend, not recent ex-boyfriend. It was just like an old boyfriend from high school. But you know, we're still friends and stuff. Sometimes, like, we talk. Like, it's not anything to be like, ooh, you know. I mean, I look at him as a friend. So he took me out with his friends to go go-karting, and it was fun. I did pretty well, so I'm very proud of myself. Other than that, I've just been hanging out with my friend Dalton, and I will insert some clips here of what we did over the weekend.
Kinda hard to love a girl like me. I just wanted you to know.
It's only 5 o'clock right now. My friend Dalton's gonna pick me up because we're gonna go to the Apple store because his phone stopped working, which is kind of sad.
Where are we at, Jess?
We're at the Apple store.
Because I broke my phone.
Yeah, he broke his phone. So, we're here.
Not really broke it.
Yes, he did.
No, it just doesn't turn on. Like,
do you have cracks on it?
no, it's on the screen protector. Because I thought the same thing too.
But yeah.
This is all it does. Does nothing.
So hopefully they can fix it for you.
Hopefully they just give me a new phone. That's what I hope for.
I wonder if people are staring at us. Are they? Look at, it's like there's like so much people in here. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. It's busy for a Saturday night at an Apple store.
It says we're ready for you now. Check with the special. Okay. Alright, so we just got out.
Got my phone fixed.
The Apple store. He got his phone fixed. And now
I'm taking Jess to Red Robin's.
because I've never had it. It's Robin's or Robin?
Red Robin. Red Robin's. I don't know.
With an S?
Don't get me started on that. Because I don't know.
Alright.
It's like where I used to work, Kroger. We called it Kroger's, but there's no S at the end. Kroger's?
So it's Kroger.
Kroger, yeah. But I say Kroger's.
Oh, well, we don't have Kroger's. Kroger in Chicago. We just have Jewel Osco's.
Well, Mariano's is Kroger's now.
Ah, it's out of focus. Okay, there we go.
The struggle.
So, yeah. And Mariano's, that's what we have. And Walmart. My phone is dry as fuck, you guys. No one talks to me anymore.
Then turn right onto Laverne Avenue.
My single ass.
Aren't we all single?
I don't know how I'm gonna survive. Look, do that to your car.
Hell no! Ain't no damn airplane.
Look at this car, you guys.
What the hell?
He has clouds on his windshield.
This car is causing me not to go straight because he screwed up.
Turn right to merge onto I-94.
Fuck, I gotta get in the right lane.
Do Do it, do it, do it, do it. Floor it, Dalton.
Oh my God, Jess, we are gonna die because it's up here. I don't want to go west.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Dalton.
I'm sorry.
All of this for a fucking burger.
We're gonna go this way to go home anyway.
Okay.
So, my feet hurt, guys. Staying these 8 hours in dress shoes killed me.
It's okay, boo. At least you look good in it. Who this? Ah, someone's texting me. Who this? It's not that important, you guys. I thought it was like a boy. Now we're gonna go get food, so. Hey, we're gonna get food.
Food, burgers, I'm hungry. They have bottomless fries, Jess.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling.
I can't.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling.
I'm done.
You're supposed to say it with me.
I can't do it, Jess.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling.
No, I can't.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling. Go to Red Baron, Red Robin, because it was super packed. So we're at this place called Meatheads. That sounds really disgusting. So I'm here with Dalton still. Hi.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day.
So he just got his phone back and he's not even talking to me anymore.
I have it on Instagram. You know, I'm gonna be checking all my social media.
So yeah, so he pretty much just didn't really talk to me at all because he was too busy checking out his phone. Today, now that we're up to date, I guess, today I actually went to go get breakfast with my friends. I went to go get breakfast with Fernando, Danny, and Dalton, but I didn't really film anything because it was kind of like, you know, there was too many people in IHOP because that's where we went, and it was just too many people and I just didn't want to bust out a camera and I don't want them to be uncomfortable. I mean, I just can't deal with this being sick. This is probably really gross. Sorry, guys. But I'm just keeping it real, you know? Isn't it real? God, I look like such a mess. I'm sorry. I'm just showing you guys real life shit. That's how I've been feeling. You know, I think this is real vlogmas footage. Me looking like a hot ratchet mess. Sorry if this video was a little bit depressing to watch. I understand if nobody watches it. I get it. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.